Viewers, this is the Waves building under construction. And that area which is written to be unveiled, that is a Waves Grande area. And this is the beautiful greenery around with the Soba villas and also some ready apartments and all. It's already a beautiful area. Hi viewers, today we will discuss the Waves Grande. A general information about Waves Grande. It is situated in Mohammed bin Rashid city, Soba Heartland. Starting price is from 1.2 million. Payment plan is 20/80, 10% on booking, 10% after 90 days and 80% on handover. Expected handover is March 2024. Total units 432, available units 245. Ground floor 8 retails. Building, basement, ground floor, 5 podiums, 31 floors and roof. Park apartments. I will also show you one video of the building so you will easily understand that the park apartments are a bit separate from it, and that is ground floor, 2 podiums plus roof. And also they have a package from the Soba Heartland if you are outside of the country. So for 2 person they will give you tickets, visa, hotel stay, 3 days hotel stay, 2 nights in a luxury hotel, and also transport from hotel. And some other things, that is specification, sizes and prices. 1 bedroom 710, 1.2 million. These are the starting sizes and also the prices. Okay, and 2 bedroom 1200 square feet, 2.1 million. 3 bedroom 1900 square feet, 3.2 million starting prices. And 4 bedroom duplexes means 2 floors in one apartment. So the 4 bedroom duplexes 2600 square feet, and that is 5.1 million starting price. Okay, 4 key views. The views means from these apartments you will have a view from towards Burj Khalifa, wildlife sanctuary Ras Al Khor, and waterfront, Maidan Horse Race, Dubai Creek, Maidan One Mall. These are the key points, and it's a beautiful area. And apartments, 1 bed and 1 bed plus study, 2 bed and 2 bed plus study, 3 bedroom apartments, 4 bedroom duplex, which will be on the upper floors. Okay, and 6 limited 2 bedroom facing park, and amenities, outdoor cinema, kids playing area, yoga zone, outdoor gym, zen garden. Zen garden means it will have a beautifully, like there will be rocks, and which I will show you also this in picture, barbecue area. And the Waves Grande will be on this side. If you can check this, this is also a board for the Waves Grande to be unveiled. Na? So this is the Waves Grande and this is the Waves. In this whole community, Waves Grande is exactly situated in this area. Viewers, this is the master plan of Soba Heartland. In Soba Heartland, the Waves Grande is situated here. And also there is another building which is already 13 floor constructed, and we have units also available there. You will saw in the video, which is exactly beside this building. Waves and Waves Grande are almost similar buildings. Viewers, this is a floor plan, and I can also send you this floor plan upon your request if you want in email, and if you want in WhatsApp. I will give my number in the description, because this area will be lengthy, because it has specification is different and types are also different. But in the master floor plan, we have a outdoor gym, Zen garden, outdoor cinema, playing area, barbecue, tencel roof, swimming pool, and this is a building. And also, so this is the general about the floor plan of the building. And now we have here floor plan layout. We have 1 bedroom unit, a 1.5 bedroom. 1.5 mean basically 1 bedroom plus study, and 2 bedroom and 2 bedroom plus study, 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom, and then commercial lobby, lift, and all information we have here. And now I will send you upon your request, so it will be more better and you will easily understand. Now we have retails. This is retail number 1 on the ground floor. All retails on ground floor. Retail number 2, retail number 3, retail number 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so these are the retails. Now residential units we have here. 1 bedroom apartments type A. So this one is the type A, and it's also showing in all. We have Burj Khalifa downtown this side, park on this side which is beside the building, also living room, bedroom, and all information we have here. Then we have 1 bedroom type A variant, and that's also showing everything. And then also we have 1 bedroom apartment type B, 1 bedroom apartment type C, 1 bedroom apartment type D. So these are the different types. I will send you this upon your request, so it will be more easy for you to understand while you having this. So these are the different types, and here we have 2 bedroom, that's type D, and different types we have in this. And I will also show you 3 bedroom, which we will have here. 3 bedroom apartment. This is a 3 bedroom apartment, and maximum units in this building have a balcony. 3 bedroom type A, 3 bedroom type A1. So these are the different. And also in the last we have 4 bedroom, that is 4 bedroom duplexes with balcony, and also 4 bedroom duplexes. So these are means a duplex lower level and upper level we have. Okay, this is upper level and that's lower level. And so this is a floor plan. Viewers, this building is Waves, and the Waves Grande is beside this building here exactly, and it's also showing a beautiful view of Burj Khalifa downtown, and it will have the same look as it's already shown in the picture. Now we will check the Waves Grande exact area in the Google map, and here we have a Sobha Heartland. This is the complete area of Sobha Heartland, and Waves Grande is situated exactly here. This is the area of Waves Grande, and this building is under construction, which is Waves. And the video, one of the video I took from here. I'm standing right exactly here in this place. So this is a beautiful community. Most of the area, as you can see, already constructed. We have 2 schools here. One is North London Collegiate School, this one, and one we have Heartland International School, Dubai. And also if we check, we will have a waterfront here we will having a waterfront in near future, this area. So, and we have Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. This side we have a Burj Khalifa. We have a Burj Khalifa here. This is a Mohammed bin Rashid complete city, Soba Heartland complete community, and there we have mall, Maidan Mall. We have a horse race area, this area. So this is all about the Google map of Soba Heartland. So viewers, this is all about the Waves Grande, and if you are interested, I will give my number in the description. You can contact me on that number. Thank you so much.